The Oppo Reno 8T 5G is a mid-range smartphone that was released in late 2021. Here are some of its key features and specifications. Display: 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Processor: octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G chipset. RAM: 8GB per 12GB. Storage: 128GB per 256GB, expandable via microSD. Rear camera: 48MP primary camera, plus 8MP ultra-wide camera, plus 2MP monochrome camera, plus 2MP depth sensor. Front camera: 16MP front camera. Battery: 4500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging. Connectivity: 5G enabled, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C. OS: ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11. As for the price, the Oppo Reno 8T 5G starts at around $450 for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and goes up to around $550 for the 12GB plus 256GB variant, depending on the market and availability. Please note that prices may vary by region and currency.